everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this 3x3 checkerboard pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is it's not really an algorithm, and it's basically just 6 moves, so it's really easy. So you're gonna get any face, and you're just going to do, so bring this middle layer down 2 times, and then turn the cube 90 degrees clockwise, and then bring once again the vertically middle layer down 2 times. Okay, and then you're going to tilt it so that now you're facing like one of these sides, and you're going to get the vertical middle layer and bring it down 2 times. And there you go. That is this is like the easiest pattern to make on the 3x3. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye. See you in my next video.